I'm Chloe at Preston Baker, and today we're at 34 Brunswick Street, which is a fantastic two-bed property just off Bishy Road in South Bank. This property is located near Rowntree Park and the Knavesmire, and is going to be launching with us on the 16th of November. Let's go have a look inside. So this is the front room of the property, and it has been modernised throughout. You've got damp proofing and new laminate flooring, and it also has built-in storage. So the kitchen has a new boiler. It has got loads of potential to extend out the back and also has understair storage. Now that we've had a look downstairs, let's go have a look upstairs. Here we are in the bathroom. This has been completely redone by the current owners, and it features a fantastic step-in power shower, as well as a brand new sink, toilet and towel rail. This is the second bedroom, which is a really good size and also overlooks the south-facing rear garden. This is the backyard, which is south-facing. It's already paved, so you've got some great seating area when the sun's out, and you've also got two storage sheds and access out the back.